Namukod tangi ang hybrid race car na dinisenyo ng mga Pilipinong college student sa isang kompetisyon sa South Korea.
Tinalo nila 50 universidad mula sa iba't ibang bansa. May news to go si Mav Gonzalez.
Pati sa pagdisenyo ng race car, nagpapakitang gilas ang mga Pinoy. Patunay nito ang pagkakapanalo ng isang grupo ng mga estudyante ng University of the Philippines sa International Student Green Car Competition na ginawa sa South Korea.
It starts with the students designing and then prototyping a certain kind of vehicle. The University of the Philippines decided to develop a hybrid vehicle. This competition is a race, bottom line. It's a race. Okay, so we developed a hybrid performance race car. We joined this competition as a showcase of the capabilities of our students and of the Filipino.
Nasa 50 universities mula sa iba't ibang bansa ang nakalaban ng UP. Ang mga kotse sumawak sa test drive para makita kung alin ang may pinakamagandang performance base sa acceleration, speed at endurance. Ang race car ng UP na pinangalan ng Datu ang nanalong most creative technology for hybrid vehicles.
When you say hybrid, gumagamit siya ng combination of a gasoline engine and an electric motor. Yung design niya was very unique. Dun sa Korea, out of 50 competitors, walang kapareho yung design ni Datu. And because of that, we expected to win. And we did.
Mav Gonzalez, GMA News.